If you look at Bitcoin on a monthly time frame, this is an analysis I've been sharing since the first and second quarter of 2025. I clearly marked the major highs and lows at 75K and 125K, and both levels hit with precision. The 75K level hit almost perfectly on timing, while the 125K actually hit earlier than expected, because when price reaches its targets early, it's usually telling us that something bigger is loading. Now that those levels are complete, obviously I spotted a repeating pattern on a weekly time frame, a pattern that suggests that we could see Bitcoin rotate back down toward the 65K region. We already seen a breach of the weekly uptrend, which is often an early signal of further bearish continuation. Before that happens, I'm expecting a pullback into the 100 to 105K zone, followed by another leg lower. That downside move could potentially stall into mid-2026. The timing can always shift, but price levels are usually much easier to map than time. One thing I want to point out, and this happens often, is that when price moves exactly as anticipated, the news always shows up later with reasons explaining why it happened, even though the charts already showed it before it happened. That's how the market works. So once we reach the 100 to 105K area, that's where I'll be watching closely for short opportunities. And remember, discipline is the key here. Wait for your entries and manage risk properly. And if we do reach the 65 target, that's a major area where I'll reanalyze for the next opportunities. Now, Bitcoin and crypto overall are still massive game changers, but risk management is everything in this market. I'll also be breaking down some of the hidden gems that I've been watching for years. Projects that are not only cheap enough to offer serious upside, but valuable enough to hold even after their targets are hit. If this analysis helped you, make sure you like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. More soon. Stay disciplined. Welcome to the Traders channel, where we make money from trading, not subscriptions.